So what's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Dark Skin Lords by J Ditch, or J Ditch. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly. So these are just 4 sample images. This image was shot by Encourage. This image was shot by J Ditch. This image was shot by Wale Visuals, and this image was shot by me. So should you buy it or should you not buy it? We'll find out after the video. So welcome guys, good afternoon, or good day rather. I wouldn't know what time of the day you guys are watching this. So welcome to another of my YouTube video. In this video I'll be reviewing, I got this color load preset by J Ditch some days back. So basically I'll be reviewing it. Should you buy it or should you just keep on doing your thing? What are loads? Or is it lots? Is it lots? What are lots? Lots are saved color presets or saved color graded presets that you just apply once to your image to make your workflow faster, or to give you this certain look and this certain feel to it. You understand? Lots make certain colors pop. You can do them manually with some sliders, but lots will just give them this certain look. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. But firstly, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and let me try and make this video as short as possible. So these are the lots on my desktop. TJ, the J Ditch. So here is it. So in Photoshop, you will click on this slider here. Okay, firstly, this image was shot by Encourage. He's a portrait and beauty photographer based in Benin. Amazing work. He does amazing work. So color lookup. So you locate the lots on your system. Load 3D lots. Okay. Desktop. My stem is so slow. Enjoy these lots. So maybe on my subsequent videos, I'm gonna maybe review his caramel or light skin lots. So while you are here, so we just pick on the first one and see how it reacts to this image. Let's see, load. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. This is really nice. Basically, it's always too much, so you just reduce the opacity a little bit. So let's pick 50 or 40. 40 is good. Let's check before, after, before, after. It's actually made our skin pop a lot. Like it brought out this pop in it. I like this. I like this a lot. So moving on to the next image. This is an image by J Ditch himself. J Ditch or J Dutch. J Dutch. If you want to learn how I fix this face, from this to this, I'll just put a link in the description. An easy face fix for all face. I'll just put a link in the description, and maybe you could click on this card up there to just watch the steps on how I fix this face. So I'm gonna off the ultra. Okay, this is just the image. So let's go to color lookup, and let's pick on the second skin tone. Oh, this is really nice. It gives this dark melanin feel of an actual dark skin girl. But as well, you could just reduce it to like 80% or 70. Oh, this is good. It's not too much. It's just nice and subtle. It's very nice, sweet. I like the dark skin tone. So moving on to the next image. This was shot by Wale Visuals. This was shot like by Wale Visuals. So color brightness. Okay, color lookup. So we just pick on the next one. Skin tone 4. These are like random image. Oh, this gives it warm dark look. Let's reduce the opacity and see how it reacts to it. 70. This gives it a warm dark look, but then it takes away all the colors in it. It took away a lot of the reds in it and the yellow, but then I like this part still remains. So working with this, I'll put let's try number 4 on it. Let's see how 4 reacts to it. Okay, this 4 is way better. So basically you just have to find what works, which of the particular lot works for you. If you want to get it, maybe at the long run I might put a link in the description for you to get the love. Support him, he's an amazing photographer. Let me just import one more image. File, open. Let me just import one more image. Let me just import one more image and let's work on it. Okay, let's go with this. This is Anne. Open. Sorry, my system is kind of slow. Okay, this is a model of mine. I shot this a while back, but this here. So we just go color lookup, load. I think we skip number 3. Good. Ooh, okay. It brought her skin to like 2 shades darker. So let's just reduce it a little bit and see where it works. 30. Okay, this is good. It brought out the whole pop. So going through all the pictures again. This is before. This is after. It's a picture by Encourage. Do want to follow him. Link in the description below. Before, after. This is a picture by Joey Ditch himself. Before, after. This is a picture by Wale Virtuals. Before, after. This is a photo by me, Geo Media. Before, after. So basically, my review for this, what I have to say about this lot, it's good. You should definitely purchase it. He took his time to create these color profiles for particular dark skin girls. I like it. He did an excellent job. He did a very good job. So this has brought us to the end of this video. Basically, this is just a review of his lot. That's all. Not to waste your time so much. So do well to subscribe, drop a comment. I could give you could email me, I could give you, but I cannot just release it out there for everybody to download it, to like spoiling his video. But if you email me and you're in Benin City, I could just give you to help or to speed up your workflow. Fine, but I could still link a link. But a link surely will be in the description to his store, where you could easily purchase this lot and speed up your workflow. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Peace out.